Financial freedom is a term that gets thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? At its core, financial freedom is the ability to make life decisions without being overly stressed about the financial impact, because you are prepared. It means having enough savings, investments, and cash on hand to afford the lifestyle you want for yourself and your family. It also means growing your wealth to a point where you are not dependent on a paycheck, and you can choose how you spend your time. In this video, we'll break down what financial freedom truly is, why it matters, and how you can start working towards it today. Why is financial freedom so important? For many, it's about peace of mind. When you're financially free, you're not constantly worried about bills, emergencies, or unexpected expenses. You have the flexibility to pursue your passions, spend more time with loved ones, or even take a career break if you wish. Financial freedom gives you options and control over your life, reducing stress and opening up opportunities that might otherwise be out of reach. It's not just about having money, but about having choices and security. Many people believe that financial freedom means being rich or never having to work again. However, that's not necessarily the case. Financial freedom is highly personal and can look different for everyone. For some, it might mean retiring early, while for others, it's simply being debt-free or having enough to cover basic needs without stress. The key is understanding your own goals and what financial independence means to you rather than comparing yourself to others. The first step towards financial freedom is setting clear, realistic goals. Ask yourself, what does financial freedom mean to me? Do you want to retire early, travel the world, or simply live without debt? Write down your goals and make them as specific as possible. Having a clear vision will help you stay motivated and make better financial decisions along the way. Remember, your goals can evolve over time, so revisit and adjust them as needed. Before you can achieve financial freedom, you need to know where you stand. Take a close look at your income, expenses, debts, and assets. Track your spending for a month to see where your money goes. This awareness is crucial for identifying areas where you can cut back or save more. Understanding your financial situation is the foundation for making informed decisions and setting a realistic plan for the future. Budgeting is a powerful tool on the path to financial freedom. It helps you control your spending, prioritize your needs, and ensure you're saving enough for your goals. Start by creating a simple budget that outlines your monthly income and expenses. Allocate funds for essentials, savings, and discretionary spending. Stick to your budget as closely as possible, but don't be afraid to adjust it as your circumstances change. An emergency fund is your safety net. It protects you from unexpected expenses like medical bills, car repairs, or job loss. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible account. This fund gives you peace of mind and prevents you from going into debt when life throws you a curveball. Debt can be a major obstacle to financial freedom. High-interest debts, like credit cards, can quickly spiral out of control. Focus on paying off these debts as quickly as possible. Consider strategies like the debt snowball or avalanche methods to stay motivated and make steady progress. Reducing your debt load frees up more money for saving and investing. Achieving financial freedom isn't about one big decision, it's about consistent, positive habits. Make saving and investing a regular part of your routine, avoid impulse purchases, and always look for ways to improve your financial literacy. Small, daily actions add up over time and can have a huge impact on your long-term financial health. While cutting expenses is important, increasing your income can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Look for opportunities to earn more, whether it's asking for a raise, starting a side hustle, or investing in your education to boost your career prospects. More income means more resources to save, invest, and reach your goals faster. Investing is a key component of building wealth and achieving financial freedom. Start by learning the basics of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Diversify your investments to spread risk and aim for long-term growth. Even small, regular investments can grow significantly over time thanks to the power of compound interest. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world. It's the process where your investments earn interest, and then that interest earns more interest. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth of your savings. The earlier you start investing, the more you benefit from compounding, so don't wait to get started. One of the most effective ways to build wealth is to live below your means. This doesn't mean depriving yourself, but rather making conscious choices about spending. Prioritize needs over wants, avoid lifestyle inflation, and always look for ways to save. The money you don't spend can be invested for your future. Automation can make managing your finances much easier. Set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. Automate bill payments to avoid late fees. By putting your finances on autopilot, you reduce the temptation to spend and ensure you're consistently working towards your goals. Regularly reviewing your financial progress is essential. Set aside time each month to check your budget, savings, and investments. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small, and identify areas for improvement. Tracking your progress keeps you motivated and helps you stay on course. Lifestyle creep happens when your expenses rise as your income increases. It's easy to fall into the trap of spending more as you earn more, but this can delay your path to financial freedom. Be mindful of your spending habits and keep your lifestyle in check, even as your income grows. Your mindset plays a huge role in achieving financial freedom. Believe that it's possible and stay focused on your goals. Surround yourself with positive influences and keep learning about personal finance. A growth mindset will help you overcome setbacks and stay motivated on your journey. Financial literacy is the ability to understand and use various financial skills, including personal financial management, budgeting, and investing. The more you know, the better decisions you'll make. Read books, take courses, and seek advice from trusted sources to improve your financial knowledge. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Building multiple income streams, such as side businesses, investments, or freelance work, can provide greater stability and accelerate your path to financial freedom. Diversifying your income also protects you if one source dries up. As you build wealth, it's important to protect it. This means having the right insurance, creating a will, and safeguarding your assets. Protection strategies help ensure that your hard-earned money is there when you need it and can be passed on to future generations. Retirement planning is a critical part of financial freedom. Start saving for retirement as early as possible, even if it's just a small amount. Take advantage of employer-sponsored plans and tax-advantaged accounts. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Everyone faces setbacks on the road to financial freedom. Whether it's a job loss, unexpected expense, or market downturn, it's important to stay resilient. Have a plan for emergencies, and don't let setbacks derail your progress. Learn from challenges and keep moving forward. As you make progress towards financial freedom, take time to celebrate your achievements. Whether it's paying off a debt, reaching a savings goal, or landing a new job, recognizing your milestones keeps you motivated and reinforces positive habits. Sharing your knowledge about financial freedom can help others on their journey. Teach your friends, family, or children about budgeting, saving, and investing. The more people understand these concepts, the stronger and more resilient your community becomes. As you build wealth, you may become a target for scams and fraud. Be cautious with your personal information and always research investment opportunities before committing. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Protect yourself by staying informed and vigilant. Insurance is a key part of any financial plan. It protects you from major financial losses due to accidents, illness, or disasters. Make sure you have adequate health, life, and property insurance to safeguard your finances and provide peace of mind. Estate planning ensures that your assets are distributed according to your wishes after you're gone. Create a will, assign beneficiaries, and consider setting up trusts if necessary. Good estate planning can save your loved ones time, money, and stress in the future. Smart tax planning can help you keep more of your hard-earned money. Learn about tax-advantaged accounts, deductions, and credits. Consider consulting a tax professional to optimize your tax strategy and ensure you're not paying more than necessary. Financial freedom also gives you the ability to give back to your community. Whether it's donating to charity, volunteering your time, or supporting causes you care about, giving back can bring a sense of fulfillment and purpose to your financial journey. Staying motivated on the path to financial freedom can be challenging, especially when progress feels slow. Remind yourself why you started, revisit your goals, and celebrate your achievements. Surround yourself with supportive people who encourage your journey. It's easy to compare your financial journey to others, but everyone's path is different. Focus on your own goals and progress. Remember, financial freedom is personal, and what works for someone else may not be right for you. Life changes, and so should your financial plan. Review your goals and strategies regularly to make sure they still align with your needs and values. Adjust your plan as necessary to stay on track towards financial freedom. Sometimes, reaching financial freedom requires expert advice. Don't hesitate to consult with financial advisors, tax professionals, or estate planners. Their expertise can help you avoid costly mistakes and make the most of your resources. There are many myths about financial freedom, such as needing a high income or making risky investments. In reality, anyone can work towards financial freedom with discipline, planning, and patience. Don't let myths hold you back from starting your journey. Financial freedom isn't just about money, it's about happiness and well-being. When you're not stressed about finances, you can focus on what truly matters to you. Use your resources to create a life that brings you joy and fulfillment. Teaching children about money early on sets them up for future success. Show them how to budget, save, and make smart spending choices. Instilling good financial habits in kids can help them achieve their own financial freedom one day. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight. It takes time, discipline, and patience. Stay committed to your plan, even when progress feels slow. Remember, every small step brings you closer to your goal. Mistakes are a natural part of any financial journey. Instead of getting discouraged, use them as learning opportunities. Analyze what went wrong, adjust your strategy, and move forward with greater wisdom. Flexibility is crucial on the path to financial freedom. Life is unpredictable, and your financial plan may need to change. Be open to new opportunities and willing to adapt your strategies as circumstances evolve. Having a support network can make your journey to financial freedom easier. Connect with like-minded people, join financial communities, or find an accountability partner. Sharing your goals and progress with others can keep you motivated and provide valuable advice. Let's review the key steps to financial freedom. Set clear goals, understand your finances, create a budget, build an emergency fund, eliminate debt, invest wisely, and protect your wealth. Each step builds on the last, creating a strong foundation for lasting independence. Financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs, but with persistence and the right strategies, you can achieve it. Keep learning, stay disciplined, and remember that every step forward counts. No matter your background or current situation, financial freedom is possible. It's about making smart choices, being disciplined, and staying focused on your goals. Start where you are, use the resources available to you, and believe in your ability to succeed. Now that you understand what financial freedom is and how to reach it, it's time to take action. Start by setting your goals, creating a budget, and making a plan. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. You have the power to create the financial future you desire. Financial freedom is within your reach. By understanding your finances, setting clear goals, building good habits, and staying committed, you can achieve independence and live life on your own terms. Remember, the journey may be long, but the rewards are worth it. Start today and take control of your financial future.